Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you Samsung phone blocked by mistake and how to solve it. So first of all, what you have is you have to force stop your Samsung device. For that, press your volume down button and your power off button for 15 seconds. You have to do it until the Samsung logo appears in your device. And once it's done, go ahead, restart your device. You will see a page like this. You will see your home screen. Head over to the settings, scroll all the way below, select software update. If you see any updation available, select download and install and go ahead and update your software. Now once done, see if this fixes your problem. And also if you have any type of application that you do not need, like a third-party application, go ahead and uninstall it. At times, such application might also cause some errors. Now lastly, what you have to do is, if it's still not working, head over to your settings. At the top software, type in factory reset. You will see factory data reset. Go ahead and open it. And lastly, this is going to be your last way out. Simply go ahead and reset all settings and factory reset your device. Then again, restart it, and this will fix your problem.